Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make a wonderful Irish dish called Colcannon. Colcannon is a combination of mashed potatoes and cabbage. Now, some people prefer kale, however, today we're going to do cabbage. And we're adding to it some leeks, and we're going to top it with some scallions. And of course, with our mashed potatoes, we're going to make it really rich with some butter and heavy cream, a little bit of black pepper, this beautiful kosher sea salt I love using, and a little bit of olive oil. So let me get everything mise en place, and I'll show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
We only need 1 cup of this cabbage, so I'm going to cut this in half. Once I have it in half, I find it easiest then cut it into a quarter. And then I cut it super thin. I like really thin slices of cabbage. I don't really like the chunky, hard bits in anything I eat, so this is how thin I'm cutting it. After you peel your potato, you're going to want to cut it into thirds, and then we're going to cut it in half. And then each half we want to cut into these small cubes so we get about 1-inch size cubes. And after you're done cutting them, you want to put them in cold water so they don't oxidize. So keep them in cold water, make sure it's covered, and continue to cut. Once your water comes to a boil, we're now going to drain our potatoes and we're going to boil them for 15 minutes until they are fork tender. All right, now this is boiled for 15 minutes. It's fork tender, and we're gonna drain it into our colander. Once you've drained off all of your water from your potatoes, we're gonna put it back into the hot pot. And I like to add in our 2 tablespoons of butter now, and then mash it with the potato masher with the butter in there, and get this really nice and mushed in. These are nice and mashed up now with the butter melted in, and I'm gonna add in our 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And I'm gonna continue to mash this up until it's really nice and silky smooth. Our potatoes are really nice and fluffy now, so I'm gonna add in our 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper and our 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. If you don't have kosher salt, no worries. Table salt is fine. I just prefer it myself. Leeks tend to be really dirty. They have a lot of sand in them. So whenever you're working with them, when you're cutting them, you want to remove the bottom. And then we're going to slice down the middle this way. All right, we want to open it up. And then we're going to check the inside. We're going to rinse this under water because that's where the dirt, the sand and grit is hiding, is inside these little layers. Let's see, this one looks pretty clean. Actually, this one's rather clean. So let me get that rinsed off. Let's see if there's any, oh, there's a little bit of sand and dirt hiding in there. So let's get these rinsed off, and then we're gonna put them this way. And I'm gonna slice this nice and thin. I'm gonna work my way all the way to about here. We don't need the dark green fibrous top. We'll save that for some vegetable stock. Now that the mashed potatoes is done, I'm gonna saute our vegetables. This is our 1 leek, and here is our 1 cup of cabbage. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to our pan over medium heat, and we're gonna add in, oops, not the cabbage, let's go do the leeks first, okay? We're gonna saute the leeks until they're nice and tender, and then we will add our cabbage. Now that the leeks are nice and tender, they've been sauteing for about 2 minutes, I'm gonna add in our cabbage. I'm gonna get that in there. And then again, we want to saute that until it's nice and tender. So that's been sauteing for about a minute. I want to add in now 2 tablespoons of water, and we are going to cover this and let that cook some more. Here we go. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Now we're going to turn it off the heat, and we're going to add in our last 2 tablespoons of butter. Cover this up again, move it over, and let that butter melt. Here we go, all of our cabbage and leeks. We're gonna add that into our mashed potato. This looks so good. I can't wait to try it. So we're gonna get this into our serving bowl. We're gonna add in a little bit more butter too. There we go, here is our beautiful Colcannon. And then you wanna make sort of a little well in the center. And we're gonna add in our butter and garnish with our scallions. That looks absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to try it. Oh, that beautiful butter is melting right in. I'm gonna serve myself some, taste it, and let you know how this is. This looks so good. Oh, that was so good. I had 2 bites already. I cannot wait to finish all this. It is absolutely delicious. This is our beautiful Colcannon, an Irish dish, perfect for the spring with lots of green onions, leeks, and cabbage. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all of our videos on our YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. How do you like your Colcannon? With cabbage or with kale? Let me know in the comments below. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.